Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule a meet and greet on the Rover app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Rover app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the search bar at the bottom. Now browse through the option and click on boarding and pick the one you are interested in. You can check the profile, views, availability. Once you find the seater you like, tap contact. This will open message chat with them. In the chat you can introduce yourself, share details about your pet and then ask for a meet and greet. The seater will usually reply with times they are available. After you both agree on a date and time, the seater will send a meet and greet request inside the app. All you have to do is confirm it. You will then see it scheduled in your message or under your upcoming section. Make sure to bring your pet to the meet and greet so the seater can get to know them in person. This helps everyone feel comfortable before booking. And that's it. That's how you schedule a meet and greet on Rover using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.